In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, Param Karunamoy, অতিশয় দয়াবান আল্লাহর নামে শুরু করিলাম বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম. Dear students, today I have come again with basic English, and today's class I am going to discuss present continuous tense, because in the previous class I discussed present indefinite tense, and just at the beginning of the class I would like to tell you the definition of tense once again. That is, the time of action is called tense, and in tense the appropriate use of verb is very much essential. So we need to know the definition of verb also. Verb is any kind of action. Now the time of action and any kind of action, there is an interesting combination in the structures of tense. Now at the beginning I would like to tell you that in the previous class I mentioned that we need to use 8 subjects successfully, and if we can use these subjects during the whole day, we can make sentence correctly. Now I'm going to tell you the subjects again. These are I, when I speak about myself; you, we, they, he, she, it, Sami. Actually, at the time of making sentence, you will always get these 8 subjects. So if you can use these subjects properly, you are going to attain success. Now the structure of present continuous tense is subject, am, is, are, verb ing, object, and the subjects are I, you, we, they, he, she, it, Sami. Actually, if you can use these 8 subjects successfully, you are actually going to master the art of using the structures. Now there are 2 important sets of verbs. Now by using the verb, I am going to make sentence in front of you, and if you listen carefully, you would be able to make sentence by your own. Now before starting the writing of the sentences, I would like to tell you that present continuous tense actually expresses the actions that are actually happening around us. Say I am speaking with you, I am conducting class, you are listening, and Jimmy is operating computer. That is what is actually happening around us. This type of thing is expressed by present continuous tense. Is very easy, and it is widely used in our practical life, because we all the time remain busy with the present activities. Now no more discussion, let us continue to make sentences. That is, when the subject is I and the structure is subject, am, is, are, verb ing, object, and there are 3 words, am, is, are. Out of these 3 words, am is suitable for I, then it is I am. If the verb is start, then it would be I am starting, starting. I am starting, object is the class. I am starting the class, the successful sentence. That is, I have started my action. Now you, if the verb is get, am, is, are. Out of these 3 verbs, the suitable one is are. You are. If the verb is get, it would be getting. You are getting success. That is, the successful sentence is you are getting success. Now if the verb is make, and if the subject is we, am, is, are. Out of these 3 words, we is going to take are. We are. We are. If the verb is make, it would be making. We are making plans. Another successful subject, we are making plans. If the verb is take, and if the subject is they is going to take are. It would be they are. The word or the subject they has taken the to verb are. They are. If the verb is take, it would be taking. They are taking they are taking chances. C-H-A-N-C-E-S. They are taking chances. Now, when the subject is he, out of am is are, it would be is. He is. And if the verb is help, it would be he is helping. H-E-L-P-I-N-G. He is helping me. Now, if the subject is she, out of am is are, is would come. Then she is. If the verb is ask, then the subject is she and verb to be verb is and verb would be asking. As she is asking question. Questions. That is, she is asking a lot of questions. Now, as for rain, the subject is it, and out of these three verbs, to be verb, am is are, it would be it is. It is raining. R-A-N-I-N-G. It is raining here. That is, the action is going on at present. Now, the verb work and subject is Sami. And out of these three to be verb am is would come, then Sami is. If the verb is work, it would be Sami is working. Sami is working hard. Now, the structure was of present continuous tense and the structure was subject, am is are, verb ing, object. And there are 8 different subjects and 8 different subjects have taken to be verb out of these 3 am is are. The respective to be verb has been taken by them. Then when the subject was I, then it took am out of am is are, so it was I am, and the verb was start, so it was I am starting the class. I repeat, I am starting the class. And the subject was you, and to be verb are, you are, verb was get, and as per the requirement it became getting. You are getting success. And subject was we, there came are, we are, verb was make, so it became making, we are making plans. Subject was they, to be verb are, they are, the verb ing taking, they are taking chances. Subject he, to be verb is, he is, verb ing helping, he is helping me. Subject is she, to be verb is, so she is, verb ing asking, she is asking a question or she is asking questions. Now, even in the previous class I told you that it comes as a subject at the time of rain or storm. Now, let us consider that it is raining here. So, it is raining here. And Sami represents any name. In the previous class also I told you that it could be any name. Maybe it is Jimmy, maybe it is Javid, maybe it is Lalam. Or it could be the name of any object also. So the thing is, Sami is working hard. Now, the first set, that is, I have made 8 sentences successfully, and if you watch my class carefully, you would also be able to make sentence. So, with a view to enriching your skill or enriching your capacity, I am going to practice another set of verbs. Now, before starting that, I would like to remind you that the structure is very important. Say, my body is actually framed on a structure. This is called skeleton. That is, every human being is actually based on his skeleton, that is called human skeleton. So, as long as my body is framed on my skeleton, the sentence is also framed in its own skeleton, and the skeleton of the sentence is its structure. And the structure of present continuous tense is subject, am is a verb ing object. And if you maintain the structure strictly, you will be able to make sentence successfully, and at the time of writing sentences, you will be able to write correct sentence, and at the time of speaking in English, you will be able to make sentences and you will be able to deliver it properly. Now, I am going to make sentences by the next set. Now let us erase this. So, I have come to the next set, and in the next set of the box, there comes the verb eat. Now, if the subject is eat, I already has taken am, so I am, and the verb ing of eat is eating. I am eating rice. That is, the action of taking rice is going on. Now, when the subject is you, with the helping verb are, you are, then main verb speak, and it would be ing, you are speaking. S-P-E-A-K-I-N-G. You are speaking well, or you are speaking fluently. Now, if the verb is cook, and we already has taken are as the to be verb, so we are, and the verb is cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. We are cooking food. It could be we are cooking meal, this type of thing. As per your requirement, you can change the object. As per your requirement, you can change your subjects, and by inserting verb at the right place, by the right way, you can make sentences. Now, there. If the verb is do, it will be doing. They are doing work. They are doing work. Now, the verb is fix. That is, he is. The to be verb is has come with he, so it is he is. The verb fix would be fixing. He is fixing pipes. P-I-P-E-S. He is fixing pipes. Now she. The verb is write. He is, it will be writing. She is writing a letter. She is writing a poem. She is writing the lesson. These are the things you can use as per your necessity. Now, in the previous time I told you that rain and storm state it as the subject. So the storm has come here. So it is storming. S-T-O-R-M-I-N-G. It is storming here. You may extend it by saying it is storming here violently. You can use ornaments when you will be skilled enough. Now Sami comes again. Sami is, if the verb is operate, it will be operating. Sami is operating computer. You are requested to use names as per your requirements. So instead of Sami, you have the authority to use any name, whatever name you like. So actually, Sami represents any name of the whole world. So Sami is operating computer. Now, again I am going to tell you that the structure of present continuous tense was subject, am is our verb ing object. And when the subject I, it took am, I am. If the verb was eat, then it would be eating, I am eating rice. You are speaking well. So, we are cooking food. They are doing work. He is fixing pipes. She is writing a letter. Then it is storming here. Sami is operating computer. In the previous class, I told you that a big train can go to a great distant place by crossing a great distance. Exactly like this, if you can follow the structure, you would be able to make innumerable sentences, and all the sentences would be correct. And before ending the class, there is an important thing. That is, I have narrated here or discussed or framed sentences by depending on the structure of present continuous tense. But there are some verbs, they are actually not willing to be used in the structure of present continuous tense. When you find the necessity, I repeat, when you find the necessity to use them in present continuous, then you need to use them in present indefinite. And the structure of present indefinite is quite known to you. I am going to write the structure again by erasing this. That is, the structure of present indefinite is subject, verb, object. Now, here is the list. There are so many verbs like this. You just collect it by your own, but just I have shown you some verbs here. Then the first one is hate. If you find that your hate is actually going on against somebody, you are still hating. In this concern, the subject would be I am hating him or her. But you cannot use this. You are to use it I hate. H-A-T. I hate her or him. Though hating is not good, you must not hate anybody. But as for the subject, I am bound to tell. Then the verb comes like. Then you are liking somebody and you are going to tell it by the tense. And you don't have any way to use the word like that. I am liking someone. You cannot say that. You are to say I like him or her. That is, you cannot say I am liking. It is very odd and ridiculous and embarrassing. So you have to say I like. And love exactly. You cannot say I am loving you. You have to say I love you. And another interesting verb want. That is, you have an intention to purchase a bicycle, and by going to your father, you have told that I am wanting to buy a cycle. You would just start laughing by hearing that, because it is never used. You are to say in that way, that is, I want to buy a cycle. You are to say subject I and the verb is want. I want to buy a cycle. You cannot say I am wanting. Exactly like this, there is a verb wish. You cannot say I am wishing to go to Dhaka. You can say I wish I were a bird. That is no way to use it in present continuous tense. And the next time there is another verb feel. If there is severe hot and you are feeling it, you don't have any way to say that I am feeling hot. If there is cold, you are telling that I am feeling cool. So it is quite unwise. You are to say I feel hot, I feel cool, and I feel happy, not I am feeling. Then there is a bird, beautiful bird, and you are just watching it. So you have decided to tell that I am watching a bird. It is also incorrect. You have to say I see a bird. Here the subject is I, verb is see, I see a bird. So it is actually present indefinite tense, not present continuous. So these are born not to be used in present continuous tense. Another one is deny. You cannot say I am denying. You have to say I deny. I mean. I am meaning to explain the thing. No, you have to say I mean to say. Another one, promise. That is, you are giving promise to somebody. In that concern, the structure tells that you have to say I am promising you. No, you have to say I promise you. Because these words, I am going to mention their names. Hate, like, love, want. Wish, feel, see, deny, mean, promise. These are the verbs. They are born not to be used in present continuous tense. And if you have the necessity to use them in present continuous tense, you have the authority to use them in present indefinite tense. This is actually the thing. So you are requested to remain with me. I am going to show you the structures. Already I have demonstrated or discussed two structures, that is present indefinite tense and present continuous. There are 10 more structures. I have an intention to discuss all these step by step, and if you follow my classes, inshallah, I do strongly believe that you will feel English easier than water, because I can make English easier than water. I repeat, I can make English easier than water. So you have to follow my classes, and I am not going to prolong my talking anymore. And before going to say goodbye, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.